Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to connect two text in Photoshop. Let's begin. Hold Control, select two text, press Ctrl T, hold Shift and resize text. Hold Control, align, adjust. First of all, adjust to this text. Hold Control again, align middle. Press Ctrl T, hold Shift. Okay. Then press Ctrl J. Duplicate layer, right click, rasterize type. Then right click, select pixels. Go to select tab, modify, expand. Expand selection 15 pixels. Expand for outside selection and contract inside selection. Okay. Then click up to layer selection, select the eraser tool and hold shift or resize the point size and resize. Cut. Press Ctrl D and again select right click, select pixels, select modify, expand 15 pixels. Okay, then down selection, select eraser tool, press Ctrl D, then select layer 1 and select layer 2, hold Ctrl, select right click, use link layer or hold Control, press Ctrl E, mask layer. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.